Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I offer in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning, everyone. Ira Epstein of Linden Associates with your morning flash update. And this is for the first day of February, the 1st, 2017, about 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now, keep in the back of your mind, FOMC Day. It's the day we get the Fed statement, if you will, their announcement. There is no press conference. And then afterwards, over the next several days, we'll let the Fed governors all out and the presidents of different Feds, and they'll head around the country and talk up whatever the policies are. You're getting a correction today, a sizable one in the gold market. And the key is, does this market have legs, further legs to the upside, or was that it? Was that just baby, a short covering rally and no more than that? The copper market, I frankly don't know how the Escondido mine went. I'm guessing that the strike went through. The market's not giving back very much of what it's put on the past few days. And now we'll find out what mediation does. That's my own guess. In the grain markets, you're getting a bit of a bounce, but that's all that it can be called, a bit of a bounce. And what we're going to be all looking at again is the weather situation this weekend in Argentina. Some rains are due, but are those beneficial or not? Good bounce happening in the sugar market. Remember, this is a market that was just down to 2010, and here we are. We got up to 2070, and you're looking at interest rates actually climbing today. Now, back in the news, by the way, is going to be in Europe, Greece again. You're going to start hearing a lot about it over the next month and a half. There's a lot of money coming due this summer, and Greece is refusing to make headways on that budget, and that means the IMF is saying no. But we've been through this, and so you'll get through these stories, but it always appears that you don't know what goes on to the last, if you will, hours. And I do mean hours. That just seems to be the mode that it works with over there. It's crazy, but that's the way it is. U.S. construction spending headline came out today, and it was down 0.2. That's not good. The market was looking for up 0.5 of a point. The revised in November, and it stayed right in line with what it was before. ISM numbers, manufacturing index 56, they expected 55, so that's a bit better. Prices index 69, prior 65.5, so a little bump there. Orders index 60.4, right in line with the 60.2 prior to that. So all these numbers, instead of me reading them off, they're good. The ISM numbers for manufacturing came out nice for the country. ADP numbers, this is a whopper. That's why the bond market notes are taking, if you will, the plunge with real rates going up, because private payrolls jumped 246,000. They were only expecting 164. They're looking for the revised at 151 versus 153, nothing there. And of course, Greece back in the news. Now, we're going to be looking obviously at the jobless data numbers later. The whisper numbers are in the 170 category right now, 170,000 jobs being added, and unemployment staying around the 4.7%. So, when you put it all together, that's why you're getting some of these moves. It's picking up the dollar, which is impacting that. Tight labor is the name of the game. I want to remind you about my charting course. This charting course, if you can master 5 simple indicators, and I use the word they're simple, you'll be able to put a trading plan into place. It includes access. You get access to for 30 days, all of my research, including my morning videos, everything I do. That's a normal $60 value. The charting software, if you've not used one of the 2 versions, you can use either version. That's going to be included. That's almost a $99 value. And the course itself, less than all that combined. So you can't beat it. It's $89.95. It's all online. There's none of this shipping and handling. And it covers the window envelopes, the swing lines, everything there. You see the access to the morning subscriber video. They'll look like this. The daily numbers. How do you apply the window envelopes, which are profit-taking tools? This is exactly what a newsletter looks like. Buy here, sell here. Very specific for you on all that. And the different chapters, they're all through here. There's 54 of them, so it's quite a bit. How do you find out more? Either call us. You can go to our website under the word education. You'll see it. You can click up here if you want. You can also, my advice would be go to the website because that's really where you're going to get everything about the course. www.iraepstein.com under education. There'll be a video there. It'll explain the whole thing to you. I think you'll find for the value there, it's really big time. I'm Ira. Thanks for your time. I'll see you later in the day as we discuss the FOMC and all the other events that are going to impact the market the rest of the week. There's going to be a number of them. Take care now.